Hey there, Escambia County Public School teachers. You may not have realized it, but sending messages through your Focus gradebook is both versatile and simple. In your Focus gradebook, the first thing I want you to notice is whether your filters are on or off. If they're off, go ahead and toggle them on. If you're interested, you can turn these filters on at all times. Not sure how? Check out our video on preferences. Once your filters are on, it's going to open up a world of possibilities for messaging. First, you can come to their overall grade. Now you can filter by percent or the letter grade. If I'm here and I want equals F, it's going to filter that student who has an F. I'd be able to quickly message straight from this screen. Instead of a single letter grade, I may want students who fall between a range. Clicking between, and then I'm going to type in 80, and then colon, and then 100, so that I have those students who have A's and B's. And again, I can message from this screen. Now I'm going to show you how you can filter based on a single assignment. If I'm here on this Unit 14 test, and I want to filter and find those students who have a makeup, I'm going to type that M in because that's what I'm using to denote makeup work in my gradebook. It's going to bring up those students here. Now, earlier in the video, I referenced this message button. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Once I do that, it's going to populate only those students into my communication module. Remember, I was searching for makeup assignments, so I may have a template that I want to use. I'm going to choose makeup work template, and then it's going to populate that right here. If you want some more information about creating templates, we have a great video for that as well, so check it out. Now I could send it to students, or I could choose students and their primary contacts, just to keep the parents in the loop, which is always a good idea. So now that I've made my selections, it's best practice to double check before you send. So I'm going to go to that I in the top that says preview, and when I click that, it's going to show me these messages before they go out. And now here they are for me to double check. Remember, in Focus, there are multiple places to filter and message. For example, if I'm here on this particular assignment and I'm on the grades portion from that details screen, I could also filter from here and message. It's important to remember that filters are going to be based on the parameters that you've set. For example, this assignment was actually worth 25 points. So if I'm trying to find A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's, I have to do that out of 25 instead of out of 100. So keep that in mind because it is dependent upon you. Messaging students from the Focus gradebook. Simple, seamless. Thanks for tuning in to this Byte of Tech with the Student Data team. Be sure to look at our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we keep making those videos that are just for you, because we're united for every student to succeed.